Jason Barber, CrossFit Silicon Valley. Lesson number 4, which is class logistics. For today, I chose Blake, which is 100-foot lunges, 30 box jumps, 20 wall balls, and 10 handstand push-ups. The nice thing about our gym is it's in a nice rectangle. We have an entrance and an exit if we want to use them. We've got a rig going right down the middle. We've got our whiteboard up here. We have a wall that will be available for wall ball targets as well as a pull-up rig. Wall right here for handstand wall ball targets. We have an open space right here. We have an open space right here. So what I've actually chosen for the logistics for this here is I've actually set up 50-foot walk-in lunges by cones. We can start from this position here with a plate overhead, walk all the way down, and all the way back will be 50 feet. So in this case, we have enough room where we could easily fit seven users to be able to go at the same time. So we start, if there's only 7 people in class, that's what we can do. You're gonna follow that up with box jumps. We have that on the other side of the rig here. That person, as soon as they finish, can go right over here and grab the first available box to do 30 box jumps. Wall balls, they can either, there's multiple situations here. You can go here, we have wall ball targets here. We have wall ball targets here. We have wall ball targets all here. So really wherever the person's gonna set up, there's plenty of room to have the boxes and the rig in the middle with the wall ball targets. And then we have, box jumps, wall balls, and then handstand push-ups we actually have in this position here, all across the wall and all across the wall here. Plenty of room for everybody. That's for 7 people. If in fact we have 14 people, the way I was actually gonna be doing this here would be to stagger. Of course, we can always stagger, but what I would do is I would have the first 7 start with 100-foot lunges, the next 7 start with the 20 wall balls. If we do it that way, we'll be able to make sure that no one's gonna be passing anybody else. You know, basically at this point from the second group would do 20 wall balls, 10 handstand push-ups, lunges, and then they would go to the box jumps. There would be no interaction between the two. We could even make it, in this case, if we wanted to make it all the way around, we could actually even make a big circle to go around the entire gym if we wanted to do it that way for safety purposes. So that's the way that I would set this up logistically for safety, and then make sure that everybody had fun. Oh, and just for real fun, we have a radio right here that can blast all the tunes that we want so everyone's happy.